Fresh off the boat from Motion RC, we've got a plane that I think will give the F-22 a run for its money. Let's find out. Well, here we are, the F-15 version 2. Now this is using a 64mm 11 blade fan. So we're gonna get this box open. We're gonna find out what's inside. I'm excited. What do we got here? Tight package. I can do this, really. Well, right off the bat, I'll tell you, this is some nice molded foam. It's not that box in a box stuff we've seen on the last couple that I've done. But no, this is looking much higher quality. Okay, get our trusty retractable knife out. Now, this thin layer of foam, it's just such a nice touch for protecting the, the plane. That's what I was saying. Protecting the plane. Oh, look at that. That is sleek. We got our XT60s pre-installed. Ooh. Yeah. That's a nice paint job, folks. All right, more of that nice thin foam. Just keeping everything off each other. We've got our manual. Come on. Use a knife so you don't mess up your foam trying to pull these things out. There's our wheels. We've got a little pack with what appears to be control rods and some kind of plastic plates with screws. I guess those are going to be used to hold the landing gear in place. Make sure there's nothing hiding in the foam. All right, that is going to be our nose cone, which, watch this. Oh, we're done. It's magnetized. We'll see if we can't get a better connection. Small little cockpit. Now, there's no pilot, no sticker for dials or anything, so it's a little disappointing. It's the most bland little cockpit I've seen on a plane this size yet. But I'll drop that right up here. Ah, see, that clipped in well. More empty foam. Don't know what the 30's for. All right, we've got pylons, 2 of those. Got our little missiles so we can fly dirty. Makes everything better. All right, get some of our trash back in here. Here we've got some stabilizers. I'm gonna guess these ones are the vertical. Mostly because I'm seeing these little pegs here which look like they'll just drop right in like, oh yeah, looky there. Looky there. Let's go ahead and set this other one on here as well. You'll get some idea what she's going to look like before we even start into the assembly. We've got our we've got our horizontal stabilizers. Those look like those may glue into place. We'll see. I would prefer for them to be screwed in somehow, but. All right, first wing half. Carbon spar. And a second wing half. Now, these already have the servos with the control rods and the horns pre-installed. So that's going to speed up the assembly process overall. And that, my friends, is it. That's the box. Well, that didn't take long at all. Just really quick here. You know, I was pretty happy with the packing overall, but I don't know if you can see this. We've got a pretty nasty little dent here on the left air intake. So we'll get some get you a close-up of that, but that's disappointing. Not that I expect her to look much better by the time I'm done with her, but you know, I'd like her to be nice for the maiden at the very least. All right, let's get to the build portion of this video. Then we'll come back, let you know what we've seen, let you know what we'd like to have seen, and even get in a thrust check. Let's take off. Well, there you have it, the F-15 Eagle by FMS. Let's do our thrust check, see how she does. Scratch that, it's the F-15 Screaming Eagle by FMS. That's got some power behind it, that's gonna be fun. Yeah, so just little things that I've noticed during the build. Obviously we had the damage up here on the nose. The nose cone itself doesn't seat down very well. I'm probably going to end up taking just a knife and straightening out that edge a bit, just so the magnets connect a little bit better. And the glue, all of my tail surface is glued into place, so I'm a little concerned about glue joints failing. Right now I've got everything pinned in while it dries, and as long as it dries well it should be fine, but I would have preferred for those to screw down. It just, you know, it always feels more secure when you have to screw it in. Other than that, I mean, I don't have a lot negative to say about this plane right now. It is a beautiful bird. I can't wait to get it out to the flight line, so we're gonna get that done, get the maiden done. Yeah, $150 plane. I want to see how she compares to the 109 F-22 Raptor, but she runs on a 4-cell battery, 11-blade EDF. I expect her to be a whole lot faster. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. You keep flying.
So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers.
It's so true. All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time,
Keep flying!
11 blades.
Yeah, weird, right?
Okay, I'm just what?
Oh, yeah, that's not a misspeak. It is an 11 blade prop unless the website lied to me. Or 11 blade fan. You know what I'm talking about.